Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Committee said that it will raise the issue of constant wrangling within the Digambar Kamath-led government with All India Congress Committee General Secretary Rahul Gandhi. With the recent crisis in the state politics because of the differences between the coalition partners and Congress legislators, which has affected the functioning of the state administration, the State Youth Congress President Sankalpa Monkar said that he would take the issue to AICC Secretary Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Monkar was speaking at the party headquarters in Panjim on Friday.
Just wait, see, I have reported to my in charge, who is the in charge of our state youth congress in charge, Kiran Reddy. We have informed him, and in this matter also and other issues also, we are having a meeting on 13th of April, where my national president, Youth Congress national president, Sri Raju Satav, who has been newly appointed Satav, is coming down to Goa along with other IYC office bearers, and this matter will be discussed over there, and plus the other issues pending of Youth Congress. Of course, these are the people, our national president, once I put it in front of him, he will give me an appointment, he will tell, let's go put this issue to our boss Rahul ji, who is the in charge of Youth Congress, and after taking his consent, then we will approach to the Rahul ji.
Mr. Monkar said that the Youth Congress National President would meet workers in Goa on April 13th, where the issue would be broached. Stating the Youth Congress had no much role to play in the state government, Mr. Monkar said that whatever was happening was not in the interest of the people of Goa. It had to stop immediately, Mr. Monkar added.
ते टोटली एकदाच सॉर्ट आउट जावंक जाय. सदांच उठून एक कंटिन्यू जावन हेजो परिणाम लोकांचेर जाता, आमच्या गोंयच्या जनतेचेर जाता. सो हांव मागता आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, आमी आमचें रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलेलें आसा, कितें खंय तरी बंद जावचें, आनी जे ग्रुपिजम चल्ला, जे एलायन्स पार्टनरा बरोबर आनी जी प्रेशर टॅक्नीक चल्ला तेंची, ती खंय तरी बंद करून एकदां आमचे गोंयकारांक एक बरो गव्हर्मेंट दिवचो, आनी जे लोकांक त्रास जाता एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सायडीकसून थंयसून तांकां रिलीफ दिवची, अशें आमचे यूथ काँग्रेसीन आसा.
Goa has been witnessing a rebellion by a group of 7 legislators led by Nationalist Congress Party. The group, calling itself Group 7, has been demanding replacement of Digambar Kamath as Chief Minister. He also said that the issue of illegal and uncontrolled mining in the state would be discussed with the Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi, seeking his intervention to save the state from intense mining activities.
Know much about that issue. I will, if you give me time, I will take that issue with our national president on 30. Before that, I will study that issue also. The condition of those villages and all, it's in a very bad position. But one side, if you go to see the history of Goa, this mining was going on for last so many years. I'm not for so many years, but gradually the way it has increased, the demand today for this mining, this each and every person today, if you go to see, are somewhere interrelated or involved into this mining activities in Goa.
Regarding high security number plates, Mr. Monkar also informed that they would submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister to keep the Srivastava report open for public.
तुमकां सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार हो रिपोर्ट आजून पर्यंत हांवें पळोवना. सो पयलीं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव यूथ काँग्रेसीनसून गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन डिमांड करता, तो रिपोर्ट जो आसा तो पब्लिकली ओपन करचो म्हूण. लोकांक कळपाक लागून कितें जालां, म्हाका सुद्दां आजून खबर ना त्या रिपोर्टान कितें. हांवें आजुनूय स्ट्रॉंग आसा, आमी आमचो जो डिमांड आमी केलेलो तेन्ना आमी डिमांड केले, जे भितर इनवॉल्ड आसा तेजेर एक्शन घेवची, तेजेर इन्क्वायरी जावची. तशें मिनिस्टरानूय मारलेलें आसा, CBI इन्क्वायरी जावची, तीवूय जावची तेजेर. आमी हांगा पर्सनली कोणाच्या अगेन्स्ट ना तो सुदीन ढवळीकर ना तो मडकयकर, म्हाका हांगा मनीस लागना. तो नंबर प्लेट इश्यू लागता.